How to set up Linktree for affiliate marketing. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to guide you that how to set up Linktree for affiliate marketing. So let's dive in. On your browser, search for Linktree and then you have to open the first site. And now click sign up for free if you don't have an account already, or you can choose login. Now once you're on your Linktree account here, it's going to open the admin for you once you log in. Now on the free plan, you can add only up to 3 links, but if you want to add more, you can always upgrade and choose a better plan. Now you can just add the links by clicking over here. I have already added this link. You have to simply click add link and then enter the URL, and then you can choose the inspired by your interest over here, and you can just give it a thumbnail and then just click add. I have already added this one. Now you can choose a thumbnail by clicking over here, and you can star it by clicking over here. And then once done, if you want to delete, you can delete by clicking over here. Just add the affiliate link to the link box, and then you have to just turn it on. Now click share over here, and you can share this link. You can just copy the link by clicking over here, and then you can just paste it on the platforms that you desire. And that's how you set up affiliate marketing link on Linktree. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.